Hey guys, Frank here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing on the Skil 14 amp plunge and fixed base router combo. We're going to see what I think about it, what my first impressions are. Thanks for joining me. Okay, so here's the packaging. Skil 14 amp. Alright, I got this from Lowe's. There's no tape here. It just opens right up. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so the first thing we have is our user manual. Okay, here is our plunge base. Come back to this. Okay, and here is the fixed base that has the motor attached to it already. Man, I'm telling you, this has some heft to it. It is. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel lightweight. It feels heavy duty. Set that there for now. Here is part of our edge guide. All right. Here's the rest of our edge guide. Set these down. This is also called a parallel guide. And here's the wrench for the collet. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. Here's our 1/4 inch collet. This is our dust extraction mechanism. I don't know the exact name for it. I don't know what this is. Okay guys, so this is everything we have in the box. This is our plunge base. This is our fixed base. It already has the motor in it. This is our edge guide, or also called parallel guide. Here's our collet wrench. This is our 1/4 inch collet. These screws here, if I'm not mistaken, are for our edge guide. They go right here. This is our dust extraction, and this is also our dust extraction. This goes back in here like that. See? Now let's talk about my impressions. This all feels very nice. This feels heavy duty. It doesn't feel like it's going to break. You know, this plunges very nicely. This feels very nice in your hands. It feels good both directions. Let's try this edge guide. And that's as easy as that to get together, you know. To use it. Gotta open these up. Open those up, side this in. And then lock it back down. That's pretty simple. That's not that big of a deal. And then you just run it across your edge like this. This works very well. Well, this seems to work very well. I haven't actually used it yet. Okay, so what I like about it, it does have lights in the bottom of it to help you see, in the workpiece. This clips into the back here. This goes in here. I said these screws was for this edge guide. I was mistaken. I'm sorry. These screws are screw this dust collector down. All right. There's screws. They get screwed in right here. I don't know if you can see this, but right here and right here. This feels very nice in your hands. To lock it, it's right here. You can't push that down. I have to pull that up to push it down. Okay, here's your little turret gauge. It's 3 turrets. See, now it can't go down past where I want it to go. See, that's how that works. This is your depth stop. See? Very nice. Okay. Having it upside down, it's nice. It's not just going to roll over. I mean, it's pretty sturdy. This is rubber, so it's not like slippery. It's heavy. It's hefty. It stays in place. So, let's try this out. This is the 1/4-inch collet. It slides down in this 1/2-inch collet. This button there, that comes out like that. Okay. There. So you use this button to lock the collet, and you use your wrench to loosen the collet. There, just like that. All right, this plate does have a recess in it to fit bushings in it. All right, so you don't have to make a plate for that. It comes stock like that. Okay, to change from the plunge base, to change from the fixed base to the plunge base, first you have to open this up. And you know, this is metal, this feels nice. These are plastic, but they're metal down here. That's okay. Push that button in. There you go, see? There's this groove here. Got to line up with this pin here. Open this up. Lock it back into place. There, that feels very nice. Yeah, this feels good. So my first impressions of this is it does feel nice. It feels heavy, and it feels heavy duty. I enjoy the feel of it. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like it's going to break. This is a nice accessory it comes with. You know, a lot of the other ones, they don't come with these things. These are also nice. It's nice that it came with these. Honestly, these do feel and look cheap. Like, for example, when I screw this into here, this almost feels like it's just going to break just from screwing it together. So that does feel slightly cheap. But it's just dust extraction. It's not that big a deal. And I probably won't even use dust extraction. I mean, I have a table saw and a few other tools, and I don't have any kind of dust extraction unit set up to that. It's just minor accessories anyway. The weight of the machine here, it feels good. Well, hey guys, I guess that's it for today. I just want to say thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe for more. See ya.